Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reset app preferences on Realme C67 device. Resetting app preference on your Realme C67 device, on the other hand, reset the preferences and permissions for all the apps installed on your device. This includes settings like default apps, app permissions, notification settings, and other preferences specific to each application. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Settings menu on your device. Well, after that, scroll down, and then please select System option. Okay, and then here you can choose Reset Options. And then you can tap on Reset App Preferences. Well, before it, here will appear the following attention or impact of resetting your app preferences. Okay, after that, click Reset Apps here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to reset app preferences on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.